So you want to connect your GoDaddy domain onto Netlify? Well, this is actually quite easy. First of all, open up your GoDaddy domain dashboard and find the domain right here. Basically copy the domain which you want to add onto Netlify, copy the name right here, and then open up the DNS settings. Then head back to Netlify and under projects, make sure to select the project where you want to add this domain to. For me, this would be this one. On the left, you can then click on domain management, click on add a new domain, and right here, this is really important, select add a domain you already own, insert the domain which you have just copied, click on verify, click on add domain, and basically you will then have to add two different DNS records onto this. So click on add a new record, and in this case, we will have to first of all add an A record right here, and we will then have to basically insert this value right here. Just put in an add as the name and click on save. Now we will basically have to repeat this process, but with a CNAME, put in www as the name, and then make sure to copy the value from right here. So copy this, including the dot at the end, and then insert this. And I've now actually refreshed the site, and this is actually now successfully added as a domain. However, as you can see, usually this does take up to 24 hours to be 100% successfully added, and so that you can actually also use it. So make sure to keep that in mind. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next